Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Haute Modesty. Well, today I am going to be revealing the winner for the Mass Monday giveaway. And so, if you're interested in that and on a day affirmation for the day, please stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. As I said, I will be revealing the winner for the Mass Monday Ladies giveaway, which was a mass giveaway, okay? And I have already filmed it, and I'm going to insert a clip. Oh, but before I do that, let's go ahead and do a bit of affirmation. And today is She Believes She Could, So She Did card. And so let's see what's in here. Okay, you know what? I see that I didn't put the card on the bottom from the last time, so I'm just going to pick from the middle. And let's see what we get. Okay. Anything's possible if you got enough nerve. Anything's possible if you got enough nerve. It's by J.K. Rowling. I love her. You know J.K. Rowling, right? She is the writer that wrote Harry Potter, and she wrote all her novels in a coffee shop because she didn't have enough money to get really have a whole lot. And then look what, she's a millionaire now. So yeah, anything is possible if you got enough nerve. And you know, what is having enough nerve? That's having enough courage to know in the face of possible failure, you're going to go for it anyway. People can tell you you're going to fail, you're not going to be able to succeed. That's okay. If you got the nerve to go ahead and ignore them and say, I'm going to do this and I'm going to try. And if I fail, I learn something from it. But if not, I will succeed and I'll be successful. But you have to have nerve to do that. You cannot fear failure. That's one of the things that people fear the most. And you know, I've read statistics on this, and I read studies on failure and you know how people react and things like this. But do you know men have the fear of failure? Get those words out. Fear of failure more than women do. And so, you know what, guys? We're strong. We're beautiful. We're wildflowers. Get those, stare at fear. Stare it down and say, you know what? I don't care. I am afraid, but I'm going to do it anyway. And then you'll be surprised how much you get accomplished, okay? And so I'm not saying that you may not fail. I'm not saying that, because you might. But with every failure, there's a lesson, right? And so when you try it again, at least you have a better chance of succeeding, and you gotten over that nerve, the nervousness, and you just got to get over that hurdle. You do it once and you try it again. So anything's possible if you got enough nerve, and you do. So go for it. Okay, good card. I like this one. Did I hold it up? I think I did, yeah. Okay, so anyway, I will go ahead and run the video for the comment picker right now. Okay, here we go, my beautiful wildflowers. This is the YouTube contest picker, and here you go. I did already copy and paste the video URL from the Mass Monday Ladies video. And then down here, I checked filter for duplicate users. That's so everybody gets a fair chance of one entry. And then the special word that I printed in the video was hope, because I forgot to verbally say it, so I had to actually put it in there. And so let's see how many people picked up on that. And we'll go ahead and choose and see here. Okay, there was only 18 entries. Yeah, I think people might have missed that word. It was in my video, and if you watched the whole thing, you should have been able to see it. And I had to put that there because I forgot to say it in a video. So I apologize for that. But here we go. You guys ready? We are going to start the raffle and pick a random winner. Okay, Lorraine B. And she commented, Happy Mass Monday, Alexis. I really like your affirmation. Thank you for sharing. Congratulations on 800. I like the pharmacy mask too. I haven't done the gold one in a while. I look forward to seeing what mask you will use every week since we know you avoid fragrance. Hopefully you had a good day. So, okay, and it had the word hope within hopefully. So, okay, good job, Lorraine. Okay, let's see. I need to do the one more check. And let's see, let's take a look at your channels. And let's say if I find you on, I find me on here. Of course I'll find you, but let's say if I find me on here, because you know I've been having those issues with YouTube. Oh, there it is right there. Easy peasy. Okay, thank you so much, Lorraine. And so you guys, I will have another giveaway. I know I'm having one at 850. I just gave away to 800. Now this was the Mask Monday. And so please do stay tuned for that. And it might even be on this video. I haven't shot the intro or exit yet. So stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Lorraine. And I will go ahead and send you the package soon as you contact me within 48 hours and send me your address, okay? And I will package it up over the weekend and I'll get it out to you. And so guys, I don't want you to be disappointed that you didn't win. But I do have another one I'm kicking off, and it has a palette in it. And this one is called a Sunday Brunch. Unfortunately, it's taped. I've never opened it, but here it is. Beautiful colors. And if you're really curious what it looks like, you can always Google it and put images, and you should be able to see what colors are there. So this will be one of the things in a giveaway. And let's use the word Sunday, okay? Sunday. And I apologize for not putting the word last time, but while I was editing, I realized, oh, boo, I didn't say the word. And so I had to go back and edit the word in and print it. That's why maybe only 18 people caught on. So I do apologize for that. But yeah, another giveaway, guys. I'm going to run it for about a week. Can't promise you what day it's going to end because I don't know what life has in store for me out there this week. So, but I will run it for about a week, okay? And it will be, this is just one thing I'm sharing with you, and there'll be other things, of course. And so you can look forward to that. And it is not sponsored. All of this comes from my back pocket. And it is not in cooperation with Instagram or Facebook or YouTube or any of that. This is all on me, okay? And it is open internationally. And please use the word Sunday. But please, please, please do not say enter me anywhere or Sunday enter me or anything like that. Just put the word in a sentence like I love Sundays or Sundays are my church days, whatever that may be. So just go ahead and do that. And also, when you comment to congratulate the winner, which is great, do that. But please don't use the name. So in other words, don't say congratulations, Lorraine. Just say congratulations to the winner. Because what happens is people immediately look to the comment to see if they can find out who won. And if they don't see their name there, they just don't even watch the video. And that doesn't help me out at all. So I'm asking, please just congratulate the winner and refrain from using the name, okay? Thanks so much. And by the way, I got my hair cut today. I got about 12 to 14 inches cut off, guys. I have a bob, and I'm just loving it. And why did I tell you that? Because I wanted to share something about my life, okay? And another thing too, oh yes, and I know there's several of you that was interested in joining me in the Lean In Circle. And I did decide not to go with that after I went to the training because it focuses pretty much on working women outside the house, you know, corporate women, professional women, you know, how they can empower each other. And if I did that, it just leaves out a huge segment of women out there that need support. And so instead, guess what I did? I developed a meetup club. And what it is it's all virtual right now, but it says San Jose meetup group for women. Okay, it's for women only. And I will drop the link below. The first meeting actually is this Sunday, which is the 10th. And then the one following that will be the 17th. We'll be doing some icebreakers, doing affirmation, talking about the affirmations, and just really developing rapport and providing support and empowering each other. And that's what this group is going to be all about. But I do have to cap it at 12. And so, yeah, if you're interested, the link is below, okay? And also, since it's all women group, and just I asked that if you do decide to join, that, you know, you be you or other females is okay, because I will not be wearing my cover, my hijab, okay? So since it's a women's group, I can do that, okay? And I think that's it, guys. Okay, my beautiful wallflowers, I think I talked enough now. So again, congratulations, Lorraine. And if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Don't you want to win things? Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and select all so you know every time I upload a new video. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good day, a good night, a good week, or good weekend. Whenever you're watching this, it does not matter. But just remember, in a field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.